New in this release is support for integrated design for manufacturing checking while working concurrently in Xpedition team layout. While working in a multi-user concurrent layout session, users can now run Xpedition DFM on a specific area of the board. This technology leverages Valor NPI DFM profiles to perform a variety of manufacturing checks directly in Xpedition layout. In our team layout session, here we have defined our protected area. This prevents other users in the session from interfering with this region of the layout. It also defines the area for which we will run DFM checks. After launching Xpedition DFM, we can see the predefined Valor DFM profiles, which were configured by our DFM expert. We will run the analysis on the protected area of the design. When the analysis is complete, we can review the results in Hazard Explorer and make any necessary design corrections. This new capability enables users to perform design for manufacturing analysis and correct DFM issues, all while working in a concurrent layout session in Xpedition.